Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko is planning to take PS Interior Karanja Kibijo and Regional Police Commander Philip Ndolo to the ICC. Sonko claims that the two, accompanied by Nairobi RC Wilson Jenga, have committed crimes against humanity. "I'm 100% sure the president is not aware about this, but I have been saying the people around my boss are messing this country," he said. "The elderly, children and their mothers are sleeping in the rains. What a curse. Let me study the Rome statues and engage the local and international lawyers," via a long post on Facebook on Wednesday. Sonko said the trio must be taken to ICC for breaching Articles 1.5, 53 and 71K of the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. Sonko claims that in diverse dates in the month of March and April 2020, the trio instructed officers to arrest and/or impounded goods worth thousands of dollars, including face masks meant for supply to the residents of informal settlements in Nairobi City by agents of the plaintiff. The defendants have failed to justify their sinister actions, which risk millions of lives with any official position except bureaucracy, he said. He also claims that Kibijo instructed their officers and officers working under them to stop his agents and officers from fumigating and disinfecting streets and public establishments across Nairobi City. On diverse dates, the defendants have, through their officers and officials working under them, demolished and vandalized installations including sanitization booths installed by the plaintiff, he said. Sonko's booths erected at Gikomba Market were found vandalized 2 days after they were put up. This is not the first time sanitation booths erected by the City Hall boss were destroyed. Last week, the booths erected in Kibra were vandalized. The governor then blamed Kibijo for the vandalism. This prompted Sonko to seek legal redress to protect the booths from demolition by unknown persons.